Today we're going to be diving into the world of marinades with the classic Italian twist that's going to bring some serious flavor to your chicken. Let's get started with a simple yet delicious Italian marinade that's perfect for grilling, roasting, or even pan-searing. Here's what you'll need. This marinade, you're going to need 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, and 2 teaspoons of each salt and pepper. You can adjust it to your needs, but that's what I'm gonna go with. We're just gonna combine all these ingredients and then you're good to go. We'll give it a quick whisk. If anybody wants to come do dishes, I'll be more than glad to let you do it. All right, that's it. All right, the marinade is ready. I butterflied 4 chicken breasts, and we're just gonna put them in and get them marinating. I need to put this in a Ziploc baggie. We're gonna give it a good mix. Oh man, that's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna tell you right now. I saw this pretty cool gadget earlier that holds a Ziploc bag, and you can just pour your marinade in the bag. Got my marinated chicken ready to go. I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator overnight, and then we're gonna cook it tomorrow. There's the marinated chicken. Been sitting for 2 days now. Let's get it on the grill. We're gonna cook it to 165. Okay, I flipped them a couple of times. We've been on about 8-10 minutes, and we were sitting at 167. Ready to pull them. Ready to pull that one. Not that one quite so much, but we're going to get that one off the grill. Money. And there it is, Italian marinated chicken. I'll give it a try. Let me know what you think. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you later.